Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through installing the latest Ubuntu on Windows 11 WSL. So first we need to enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux feature. So what you do is click on the Start menu and just simply type Windows and then search for Turn Windows Features on and off. You should open the first option right over here. Now once the window opens, scroll down or go to the bottom section, and over here you will find a box called Windows Subsystem for Linux. Just simply check the box next to it and click OK right over here. After that, Windows will start installing the necessary components. Now just simply wait for it to complete the installation. After you click OK, the feature will install. Once the installation is complete, you must restart your computer to apply the changes. All you have to do is click on Restart now right over here. So click on the option and complete the restart. Now after your computer restarts, open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu in the search bar. Once you open the Microsoft Store, just simply search for Ubuntu. Now you will see several versions available. In this tutorial, we are going to install the latest Ubuntu LTS version, which is going to be this one right over here. If you want to verify which is the latest version of Ubuntu, all you have to do is simply open a browser. For example, Chrome. In Chrome, just simply search for Ubuntu and open the first link. After that, scroll down and you should be able to see the latest version of Ubuntu. Now you can verify the version right over here, as you can see. So it's 24.04.2, which means it's the latest version. Now just simply open that and click on Get It. After that, just simply install it. Wait for a few seconds till the installation is over. As you can see, the installation has begun. After Ubuntu is installed, you should also receive a pop-up message down below. Now what you have to do is just simply open your Ubuntu, go to your Start menu, search for Ubuntu, and just simply open it. On the first launch, you might see an error message that tells you a Linux kernel update is required. Don't worry. This is a common issue. To fix this, you will need to download the latest kernel package for WSL. I've provided a link in the video description. Simply click the link or copy it into your web browser to download the package. Or you can just simply copy the URL directly over here. Then go to your browser, paste it, and that should automatically redirect you to the proper page. After searching that link, you should be able to go to this website over here. Then just simply go to step 4, and right over here you should be able to see the package. Just simply click on the highlighted option, and that should automatically start the download. Now wait for a few seconds. Once the download is complete, just simply run the package. But before that, make sure to close this. Now just simply run the package installer from here. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking Next until the installation finishes. Just simply wait for a few seconds. After the installation is finished, click on this option and then relaunch your Ubuntu app. Go to your Start menu and type Ubuntu. This time you should not see any error messages. As you can see, there are none. After the installation is done, you're good to go, and that's it. You have successfully installed Ubuntu on your Windows 11 machine using WSL. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.